Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jira Software with Confluence, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Jira Software with Confluence, start by ensuring you have administrator access to both platforms. Log in to your Jira Software account. Navigate to the Jira Administration panel. Select Applications from the sidebar. Look for the Application Links section and click on it. In the Application Links field, enter your Confluence URL. Click the Create New Link button. When prompted, confirm the URL. Fill in the necessary fields, such as application name and application type. Select the correct application type for Confluence. Once completed, click the Continue button to save your changes. Next, head over to your Confluence account. Log in and go to the Confluence administration area. Click on Application Links to view existing links. Find the link you just created for Jira. Select the option to edit the link. Make sure that the authentication method is set to OAuth. Copy the consumer key and public key provided here. Now, go back to your Jira software. Navigate to the Application Links section again. Click on the corresponding link for Confluence you just created. In the dialog that appears, select Configure from the options. Paste the consumer key and public key from Confluence to the designated fields. Save your changes to solidify the connection. To verify the connection, navigate back to Confluence. Try to create a Jira issue in Confluence to test integration functionality. If successful, you should see the Jira Issue Creation panel appear. You can now link Jira issues to Confluence pages easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.